Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing Mars Nitric Oxide Capsules, a supplement that promises to boost blood flow, energy, and workout performance. We put it to the test in daily training. These capsules include L-arginine and beetroot extract, both known for supporting nitric oxide production. We noticed improved endurance, stronger pumps during workouts, and less fatigue. It gave a nice boost without jittery side effects. The pros are increased blood flow, better stamina, and fast-acting results. The cons are that the effects wear off if you don't take it consistently. It's not a substitute for pre-workout nutrition, and some may experience mild stomach upset. Overall, Mars Nitric Oxide Capsules deliver a noticeable performance edge for workouts and daily energy, making it a solid option for active individuals. This has been How to Literally Keep Things Smart and Simple and Scam Free.